Well, this video is for my mom. I was telling her how there's hummingbirds everywhere. My mom loves hummingbirds. Here in St. Croix, they're everywhere. I get to see them every single day. I go back in the house to get the camera, and yes, an actual camera, not a cell phone, because my cell phone camera sucks, but I can't ever catch one. Saw 5 so far within the last 5 minutes, but they move so fast they never stay in the same spot. I haven't been able to catch one, so I keep redoing the dang video, and I finally got this one who's actually hanging out for a little bit. I wish I could go closer. And we got a little yellow bird over there too. Don't know what that one is, but the hummingbird is hanging out for a while. But yep, this is for you, Mom. They're everywhere. I get to see at least 20 hummingbirds a day here. It's crazy. They're everywhere. They're just common as the California pigeon, except way less poop. They just move so dang fast. Did I lose him? Oh, there he is. If I could pause, I could probably just turn around on the other side of the house and probably find 3 more. But I reckon this is good enough, eh? And the little yellow bird is awesome. Alrighty then.